Respected my class in charge and all the shining stars of Sunrise Public School, first of all, a very great morning to all of you. I am Ankit from Proud 12th Science Standard, and today I am here for description on the topic for the reason our Panipat is famous for, and for the reason which creates a different perception in the mind of other peoples of the world. I think you all have guessed, that is the three battles of Panipat. The three battles of Panipat, which plays an important role in the history of Haryana as well as in Panipat. My dear friends, apart from winning or losing, it teaches us many lessons. So today we are going to know about these lessons and these three battles of Panipat. So the three battles of Panipat are fought in 1526, 1556 and 1761. So let's start with the first battle of Panipat. So if I talk about the first battle of Panipat, so it's fought between the invading force of Babur and the last ruler of Delhi Sultanate, that was Ibrahim Lodi. Now I will tell you about the military strength of Ibrahim Lodi and Babur. So Babur has the military strength of around 15 to 20,000 soldiers, while Ibrahim Lodi has a military strength of around 30 to 40,000 soldiers, which is almost doubles the army of Babur. Now friends, guess which won the battle? Which won the battle? I think we all of us thinking that Ibrahim Lodi won the battle, but my dear friends, history says some different. Babur won the battle. Now I will tell you about why Babur won the battle. So Babur used his three tactics to win the battle. First is Tulgama. Tulgama is basically refers to the division of army. Babur divided his army into two parts. One is to circle the army of Ibrahim Lodi, and second is just to deviate the attention of his army. Now due to this, they weakened the army of Ibrahim Lodi. Now I will tell you about the second tactics. The second is Arba. Arba is basically refers to the hiding of weapons. Babur hide his weapon under bulwarks or stones, which make easier for Babur's army to defeat Ibrahim Lodi's army without any destruction or without any loss of weapons. Now third is the most important, that is imaginary sound of cannons. He made an imaginary sound of cannons which threatened the army of Ibrahim Lodi. Due to all these reasons, Babur won the battle. Now my dear friends, we are going to know about the second battle of Panipat. The second battle of Panipat is fought between Hemu and the Akbar. The full name of Hemu is Samrat Hemu Chandra Vikramaditya, who was a Hindu king. And now I will tell you about the military strength of these both the armies. First is Hemu Chandra has the military strength of around 30 to 35 soldiers, while Akbar has the military strength of around 5,000 soldiers. My dear friends, these are 5,000, but not only 5,000, they are well experienced officers. Due to this, now the battles fought in 1556. During battle, Hemu Chandra is going to just win the battle, means he is in the path of winning the battle, but suddenly an arrow shoot his head and he lost the battle. So my dear friends, here we can get an important message that quality is always greater than quantity. Akbar has a well quality officers, that's why he win the battle. Apart from that is Hemu Chandra has the army of 35 soldiers. He has only quantity, not quality. Now we will discuss about the third battle of Panipat. The third battle of Panipat is fought between Marathas army and Ahmad Shah Durrani. Ahmad Shah Durrani was also known as Ahmad Shah Abdali, and he was a king of Afghanistan. My dear friends, in the history of Marathas, many times he won Mughals, and sometimes he added some Mughal soldiers into his army, and this is the most terrifying mistake done by Marathas. He added a soldier, that is Sujaluddin. He was in the army of Marathas, but he was working for the army of Ahmad Shah Durrani. So he cut the supply of food and water for the army of Marathas. That's why with no food and with no soldiers, they becomes like a dead peoples, and that's why it become a piece of cake for Ahmad Shah Durrani to win that. So from here we can get an important message that we always choose a person with full of its information. Now my dear friends, an important reason for why all the three battles are fought in Panipat, because many of the students or many of us will think that why these all three battles are fought in Panipat. Why any another place also? Now the first reason is that availability of water. As we all know that Panipat is situated at the banks of river Yamuna. That's why it is easy for the availability of water. Now the second is distance from Delhi to Panipat. As the distance between Delhi and Panipat is very small, that's why all the invading forces which comes from Pakistan is first enter in Pakistan, then in Delhi. So this all from my side. Thank you. Have a nice day.